Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find your exported videos from CapCut PC in your file. So in here, let's say that I've already done my editing and I want to export this video, and I see that many of you has a problem in finding the video that you export from CapCut. So basically, if you click on export, here you can see there is an export to option. So this is where your video will be exported or saved. And to change it, you can just click on the folder icon. And in here, you can just choose the folder that you find will be easily for you to find the video you exported, or you can just leave it as it is. For example, I want to just go with videos here so that I can find it easily, and then click on select folder so that when I export this video, let's say I export it. Okay, the exporting process is finished, and usually this box will appear and you can see the video exported posted. You can see there is a small text here to open folder. So if you want to find your exported video, you can just easily click on here, and then your folder will be open and you'll find your exported video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, click on the thanks below, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.